Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account type because settings differ. Sign into the Teams app now. Once done, make sure your network meets the minimum. A wired 100 Mbps or 5 GHz Wi-Fi avoids dropouts. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete it before proceeding. This prevents mid-process blocks. Next, close other heavy apps to free CPU and bandwidth. You need Teams' latest update, so check for updates now and install. This fixes many known issues before deeper troubleshooting. Now you diagnose common misconfigurations. Open settings and confirm devices selection for camera, mic, and speakers so the right hardware is used. Once done, clear the Teams cache to resolve stale data. Quit the app, remove the cache folders, then restart. This often restores normal behavior. Make sure OS privacy permissions allow camera and microphone access. If not, grant them and relaunch Teams. If meetings still fail, use the built-in test call to verify audio end to end before moving on. To finish, if problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Teams so corrupted files are replaced. This clears deeper client issues. Once reinstalled, reproduce the issue and collect logs, Teams desktop logs, event viewer entries, and exact timestamps, because those details speed diagnosis. If you still need help, contact your IT or Microsoft support and supply account type, device model, OS version, and logs. One troubleshooting tip: test in the web client. If it works there, the issue is local to your desk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.